This elephant calf has tragically died from a sudden heart failure a week before her second birthday, to the shock of keepers at Vienna Zoo. The female elephant Kibali died unexpectedly on the 10th of July, and zoo officials say she did not show any symptoms of illness beforehand. Spokesperson Joanna told Newsflash, "We can't believe that she is no longer here. It was very important to us that the little one's mother, Numbi, could say goodbye to her young child in peace, followed by the rest of the herd." Numbi is now getting a lot of attention from her carers. Kibali was conceived through artificial insemination and was the third offspring of her mum and had two siblings named Tuluba and Kibo.